What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be working on this 97. It's a Nissan Hardbody. It's leaking oil, so I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna see where the oil is coming from and I'm gonna fix it. The first thing I'm gonna look at is the valve cover. The most common oil leaks are the valve cover, the rear main, and the front seal. So I'm gonna take a look at the valve cover, and I mean it's kind of wet, but it doesn't look like it's dripping, so I don't think it's the valve cover. I mean, I just looked all around and it doesn't look like there's any oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and go underneath. I'm gonna remove the covers that it has, like the plastic covers, and I'm gonna inspect the rear main and the front seal. Okay, so I removed this plastic cover and I could definitely see a puddle. So I'm gonna go underneath the truck. Okay, without the cover, I'm gonna inspect the front seal, and it doesn't look like it's coming from the front. I'm gonna go back to the rear main, and it doesn't look like the rear main is leaking either. So I'm gonna check my oil filter now, and it doesn't look like it's the oil filter. It looks like it's the oil pressure switch. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. I'm gonna go buy another one and I'm gonna replace it. All right, so I was able to get the sensor off, and it looks like it was leaking around the plastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. If you guys ever need to replace this sensor, there is a special socket. So this socket comes in two sizes. So one size is 1 inch and the other size is 1 inch and 1/16. So this is a special socket that you could get from AutoZone. It's not a big deal to find it. I got my new sensor right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Teflon, then I'm gonna install it. Okay, so my sensor is ready to install. This is the Teflon I use. I'm just gonna clean where it bolts onto with brake clean. That way everything's nice and clean. And I'm just gonna go ahead and install it. All right, so there's the sensor installed. I'm gonna go ahead and put the covers and turn it on. All right, so that's gonna be it. Before I turn it on, I'm gonna check the oil level, make sure I have enough oil. And I'm gonna check for leaks underneath, but that's how you replace the oil pressure switch. All right, so I drove it for a little bit. I checked to see if it's leaking, and it's not leaking anymore. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know.